Driving with Myles, YouTube Shorts, Knowledge Test. Which traffic signal means you should proceed with caution? Is it a blinking green, a blinking yellow, or a blinking red? It is a blinking yellow. When you see a solid yellow line in the center of the road, what does this mean? You may legally pass the vehicle in front of you when it's safe to do so. All traffic is moving in the same direction, or traffic is moving in two directions. Traffic is moving in two directions. Why are pavement markings on our roads important? They give you information on the road ahead of you, they color the road, or they tell you you've missed a turn. They give you information on the road. When you are driving up to an intersection that has a solid green light, you should come to a complete stop, yield to oncoming traffic, or proceed cautiously through. Proceed cautiously through. If this brought you value, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.